Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you're here. Today we've got a couple of quick unboxings, first impressions of a couple of knives that I ordered in. We'll do these one at a time. We'll start with this one. Came in from White Mountain Knives. Before we do, guys, I just want to thank all the channel members. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you more than you know. And for those of you who are new to the channel, who are just coming by for the first few times, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon. It'll let you know when new videos come out, like unboxings that I usually do around the same time they come in. But guys, that just really helped me out. The unboxing knife today is going to be the Grant Gripper. And again, this is a little knife, or a knife from White Mountain Knives. All right, guys. This is something that I got kind of interested in when I saw it at Blade Show. It is a CIVIVI Mini Elementum fixed blade, made in China. Mini Elementum fixed blade, black G10 handle. They also make this in a micarta, I think, with stainless, and they make it in a when I say stainless, in a not DLC coated or not. So different CIVIVI box, same familiar CIVIVI stickers. CIVIVI rag, looks like they've upped their game there a little bit. Troll candy. CIVIVI made better. And then we got a little chain that I won't use. I'm already can tell that it's kind of a drag that it's got these small holes, because that means it's not going to be much more than a pocket dropper unless I use the chain. So that's a little sheath, and that is the NAF. Let's see what we got here, guys. Let's get this out of the way as I fumble butt around. All right. So what we have here is a tiny little fixed blade, little hollow grind, little EDC Elementum. And I can already tell you guys, I like the size of this little knife. It is tiny. I, the full tang is really all you have. You've got these little G10 scales that kind of make it still almost skeletonized. Then you've got this little Kydex sheath. It's got really good retention. The only thing that kind of sucks is I don't know how to mount an ulti-clip or a strap, because those eyelets look a little small. But again, this could just be a pocket dropper, guys. But it is pretty cool. Let's get a coupon. Make sure it cuts. It is VG10, guys. I think it's VG10. Hold on. NITRO-V. My bad. Yes, it's slicey. That was cutter air, guys. I hit the sharpening choil. So it does have a nice little sharpening choil there. Little EDC fixed blade from CIVIVI, the Elementum Mini fixed blade. I look forward to trying that out. We'll actually use it to unbox this guy. This guy is, I'm stoked about this. I can't give you the information on the other side because it's personal. I don't want to cut into anything. All right. All right, guys. So in this little case. Whoa, I was not expecting that. I was expecting that. Guys, this is from Jason Grant, and that is the tripper I ordered. Some Jason Grant sticker and Jason Grant cool pouch. Guys, holy smokes, guys. Check that little J-Cal out. Would you look at that? OMG. Guys, that is perfect. Look how pretty that is. That is my small. Let me grab the other J-Cal. I've got a small J-Cal, but that's one of his 5-inch models, which is the one that I thought would be just perfect. Dude, and it's got his stamp in it. Check that out. That is so freaking cool. Thank you, Jason. That is awesome, man. I knew you were working on it, but I thought you were just totally covered up. The retention on that sheath is bomb diggity. That is so cool. All right. So guys, I have been looking forward to this knife. Check that out. Check it out. I love that. And I got the Grant Gray because I wanted it to contrast my gripper. But that shows you the size of the tripper next to the gripper. That is a wicked little Tonto. Guys, I saw the prototype of this. This knife, again, this is just a first impression video. And I can honestly say I'm impressed. Again, Best Tech knocked it out of the park. Jason's design is stunning. Look at that point, guys. Guys, that is a little beautiful knife. Fits my hand like a glove. Got the same clip. Looks like it's going to be great in pocket. It's got multiple deployments. You've got the flipper tab. You got the front flipper. You've got the little coffin, which I can't tell you how much I love his little coffin shaped deployment hole. It just catches your finger so well. But again, this isn't a review. This is just an unboxing. And it's a very anticipated unboxing. I was so hoping this guy would come in, and it did, and I am just absolutely blown away. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Guys, thanks for stopping by and watching the video. I can honestly tell you that I am blown away. I didn't know the little J-Cal was going to be in the box. Didn't know the Tripper was going to be, because I only saw the pre-production model, was going to be so fire. I thought I knew it was, but it's always confirmed when you get it in your hand, right? Nice weight relief in those scales. I mean, just a great little knife. I mean, just too cool for the room. That is the Grant Tripper, guys. These are available. I'll put a link in this unboxing to where you can get these. And then if you, yeah, if I was you, I would DM Jason if you're interested in the Tripper after you look at him on the site, and tell him JuhVon sent you. This is an awesome knife. This is an awesome knife. And the little CIVIVI, I'm kind of interested to see how it works out. It's kind of different. But guys, thank you so much for stopping by and watching the video. Thanks for visiting my channel. Thanks to all the members who support me. Thanks to all you guys who subscribe, who just watch my content, who thumbs up it, thumbs down it, leave a comment. I love you all. If you would, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.